So we have made it into another state. We are crossing into Victoria this morning. The weather is pretty ordinary. We've had 40 degrees in Adelaide and then 20 degrees as we come down further. So we're going to keep on boogieing and make our way onto the Great Ocean Road. See yous! We have made it to our first stop on the Great Ocean Road, which is the Bay of Islands. It looks really cool. So we've come for a walk down. There's probably about 3 or 4 little lookouts.
So they call this one the Grotto. See if you can see it in the camera here or not. A little tunnel. Little crevice down there.
Seems to be very busy. We've just pulled up at the London Bridge and there's 2 big busfuls that got off in front of us, so must be the time for travelling today. Well, it's nice and sunny.
It's very on the windy side here. Sadly can't put the drone up at a couple of these spots because they do helicopter flights, which is fair enough.
Would be pretty wicked though, as it's pretty cool views from here, but it is what it is. So we've come down to the Lockhart Gorge, I think that's how you say it, to have a look around, and because we've got our boat on, we can only park in one certain spot, but it's all accessible through walking. It just takes a bit longer to get around and see everything.
Sucks.
So we've done one side and then now we've come to the other side, and there's apparently some new blowholes lookout that we can see, so go check that out. But yeah, we're just wandering down now to have a look. The sun's quite warm this afternoon. More of these signs are in different language than English too, I've noticed. I don't know why, but
I feel like we're in Sydney, eh?
yeah, you drive around and all the signs are in different language. Check this out.
I think it says no stopping. I know that language.
We've made it to what looks like I think, tunnel to the blowholes. I think this is only a new thing built in and it's only recently opened, so go for a walk down and see what we can find.
Probably more of a blowhole on high tide, but still looks pretty cool. definitely a busy spot here. There's that many people. Even tour buses, I think they've stopped now, but it's only 5:30 and still car park's full. Pretty wild place. See how it goes. I think the wind's a bit of a pain, but should be pretty good.
So we've pulled up and set up camp and we're now cooking some dinner. It is cold, as you can tell. I've got the jumper, the trackies, the beanie on. We've both had our hot chocolate and a cup of tea for me to warm up a little bit. But the only painful thing about camping in this wind, cooking dinner. Having to barricade so that our gas doesn't go out from the wind has been a struggle, trying to find a little bit of a windbreak. That's the only thing I miss about having a house, is being able to cook without the wind, but we've made it work. So we've done things a little bit backwards and we've come from the other end, but we've officially made it to the start of the Great Ocean Road. We just got a few videos, but it is so busy here at the moment. So we've jumped in, got a quick photo and a video. Unfortunately, that's probably all we can do because there's too many cars coming through.
Took a break from driving. Come to check out, apparently this is where the old movie Around the Twist was filmed, at this lighthouse. So we can go check it out.
We've just made it to the lighthouse and they're shut at the moment for a lunch break, but we're going to go do I think it's a self-paced walking tour through, so we're going to go check it out. It'll be pretty cool.
Have you ever felt like this?
Scared of this height, yeah. Morning. So we've had a few quiet days now and tomorrow's meant to rain and we're down at Indented Head, so we decided that we're going to catch a ferry across to skip Melbourne so we don't have to drive through it. We're just lined up now and we're getting the ferry from Queenscliff to Sorrento, so it should be pretty cool. That is so cool. You haven't got in the boat yet!
Oh, holy. Yeah, boy! Yeah, son! Get it?
You hug for that.
Oh, yes!
That is the biggest gummy.